Kind of looks like it's a hit. I have to give the other flock theirs. But they're eating it's got protein, they're eating the birdseed on a stick. Yeah. These my hens. They're very spoiled. Normally I let them out, and I will let them out, but I just want to see if they... Come here, guys. Come here, mommy. Come here. Here. Okay, let's see. Come on. There you go. They're like, what on earth? Ooh. Here, mommy. Here. I'll give some to the roosters. There you go. Ooh, what is it? What is it? Oh. What is it? What is it, mommy? Yeah. What is it? They're like, ooh, that peanut butter. You guys don't fight. Petunia. Petunia. I have some of the crumble, so I'll throw some of that. Because this has got the peanut butter in it. It just didn't get solid. Okay. So I think it's a hit. Except I think I put too much birdseed and not enough gelatin because it's kind of falling apart. Come on, you guys don't fight. Chickens can be ruthless. They just peck at each other. You don't do that. Mommy didn't teach you that. Try and be nice. And they're eating it though. They love the birdseed, and I can imagine they love it more with peanut butter and gelatin. Yeah, and it's good for them. Go check it out, Petunia. Oh, that's good. Good stuff, huh, Red? There's Red, my rooster. And Blackjack, my rooster. Yeah, this is Petunia. Petunia! Oh, Red likes it. Good job, Betty. Good job. I think they still want to go out. You guys want to go out? Come on. You be nice, Petunia. You don't do that. Here. Let's see. Yeah, be nice, Petunia. You don't do that. Petunia. Look at, they're gonna... Here. Okay, it was a success. Definitely a success.